Heather, if you want to fix iPhone screen drop down, then this video is for you. If you find this annoying on your iPhone and you want to fix this, then you can just go to your settings and go to the accessibility. From here you just need to go to touch, and in touch section you will find reachability. You can just toggle this off and the feature, this drop down feature, will turn off. So you can turn it on back again by tap on this toggle button again, but when it turns into this white color or gray color, then that's mean it has just turned off the drop down on your iPhone screen. Just like here from my control center, if I just trying to swipe down from the bottom edge of my screen, so it won't appear this drop down on my device. So that's how you can just access the drop down. You can find the drop down on your phone. Otherwise, if you turn it off, then it won't show you this drop down on your iPhone. That's how you can fix it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.